So hey friends, I decided to try a different place this weekend. I'm at Pecan Point Park at Navarro Mills Lake, which is about 75 miles south of Dallas, I think. So I'd looked online, it's Corps of Engineers Park, and it showed that a bunch of these sites were reserved. It shows that some are first come, first serve, and you can't reserve those, so I figured it would be a safe bet that I'd be able to find a spot here. And there's nobody else here. There's literally no one else here. There's what looks like a park host camped at the very, very front where I first came in, but I didn't see any people, and I didn't see a self-pay station, and no instructions at all. The booth was closed, so I just came on down and made myself at home. If they want to collect fees from me, they know where to find me. Yeah, this is quite lovely. I'm very surprised at how lovely it is. The bluebonnets, they're amazing, amazing. So yeah, it's supposed to be a kind of an ugly weekend weather-wise. It's supposed to, cold front's blowing in tonight, so they say. Yeah, right now I am shorts and a tank top and sweating. Yep, it is very warm and very muggy, so they said it's going to get windy, and the wind's going to shift, and here comes the cold front. We might get a little rain, but I was listening on the radio on the way out. It looks like it's going to miss where I'm at, so I'm okay with that. So, yep, there's plenty of firewood everywhere. Have me a little campfire right here by the lake. And it's even got plug-ins. I think it said it was $20 a night. Decided to go ahead and go for a pay spot because they were calling for such bad weather. And I had thought, well, you know what? I've got a lot of work to do on my computer. I need to move some files onto an external hard drive. I can just sit in my van with my air conditioner running and do all that. Then I forgot my laptop. Sure did. Realized at about an hour and 15 minutes into the drive that I didn't grab it off the table. So, because I'm not really going to get any work done this weekend, but that's okay. I brought some books to read. Yeah, so I'm going to fly my drone real quick while I can. Show you around the bluebonnets a little bit. I'm going to throw a steak on the grill, I think, and enjoy this view. Just wow. I don't know if you can see me or not. The park host just pulled in and told me, "Are you camping?" I said, "Well, yeah I am." He said, "Well, you didn't stop at the front." I said, "Well, there wasn't anybody up there." So, "Well, we were in the trailer." All right, well, there wasn't any sign or any movement, so I did not know that was the rules. Anyway, so I asked him, "You want me to pay you now, or you want me to pay you in the morning?" He just looked at me like, "You're really camping?" There might be a reason why nobody else is here, folks. There is a hell of a storm blowing in. Apparently. So he told me if it gets too bad, you can go in the bathrooms. He said, "I don't know what that'll do for you, but you can." This will be interesting. Well, whatever it's doing, it's going to do it pretty quickly. It's just going to blow through. Guy has me all scared now. Yeah, it just looks like the two big cells are going right around me. We'll see. My van's starting to shake, so. Is that him coming back? Yes, it's him coming back. What now? Alright, so that wasn't a bad visit after all. He came to tell me that their computers are down, so I don't have to worry about paying. He doesn't have any way to take my payment anyway, so. What a bizarre place I landed tonight, guys. But like I told him, I'm looking at this weather radar, not that it's loading very well. But it looks like the brunt of it is going south of us, and he said he agreed. He's been watching the news, so. I'll live to tell another tale. Alright, I'm gonna eat dinner. Call it a night. Up here this morning and it is cold. It's like April 10th or April 9th or something. This is ridiculous. It's really cold. It's very windy, very wet. So, yeah, if I had my laptop, I would probably stay and get some work done and stuff. But I don't, so I'm not gonna. Yep, that's right. You heard it here first. I'm gonna bail. But I will be back here again. This is awesome. Awesome little spot. Hopefully next time it won't be this cold. Wow, I can just see the fog blowing off that lake over there. That's crazy. Anyway, thanks for joining me on my little mini adventure this weekend, guys. Y'all stay lost, my friends. Stay warm. Spring. Oh, this poor pony was out here yesterday when I came in. He's tied up. Oh, poor pony. It's cold out there, isn't it, Betty? I'm sorry your people are assholes. Aw. Aw, that's so sad. Ugh. People. Why are people so people-y? They are people-y. Anyway, we're out.